Welcome to 10 Minute Tech. This channel is dedicated to all things EDC, gadgets and technology. In this video, we are taking a look at the Black Cat flashlight from Lumintop. Let's go! There are a number of cheaper see-through mini flashlights with side lights popping up. A lot of these seem poor quality and unlikely to last any length of time. When I saw one available from Lumintop though, I thought it would be worth picking up to check out. I have a couple of flashlights from Lumintop and they work well and are great value for money. So how does the Black Cat stack up? I purchased this item myself and all opinions in this video are entirely my own. This is the box it all comes in. In this you will get a user manual, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a lanyard, and a pocket clip. I purchased this for under £10 delivered. For the price, it is a good package, although there has been some obvious cost cutting in a couple of areas. Up front, we have a TIR lens. There's also a glow-in-the-dark ring between the lens and the bezel. The bezel is made of plastic, which lowers the perceived quality. We have two silicon switches to control the lights. On the tail, we have two loops to attach a keyring or lanyard. These sit either side of a small magnet. We have 4 side LEDs, and on the flip side, we have a USB-C charge socket. For a size comparison, here is the light with a AA and AAA battery. On screen, you will find the official specifications, controls, and runtimes. Please pause the video if needed to read through them. Some key points are a maximum output of 400 lumens, a length of 74.5mm and diameter of 16mm. It weighs in at 22 grams, 90 meters maximum beam distance, and an IPX4 waterproof rating. It is also impact resistant to 1 meter. Rumours are it was drop tested 1,000 times and it landed on its feet every time. 4 clicks to lock or unlock. Hold down for momentary turbo. Triple click for Eco mode. Double click for strobe, which I won't show in the video. A single click to turn on. Press and hold to cycle through low, medium and high. Memory mode will remember the last used brightness level. The green tint at the base of the beam is due to the glow in the dark ring around the lens. Here is a look at the beam profile. The side lights are controlled by the bottom button. A single click will turn on the warm white light and another click will turn it off. Double click for a flashing red and blue. A single click from here will cycle through red, green and blue and their respective beacon modes. A triple click will smoothly cycle through the full RGB spectrum. When you get to the colour you want, a single click will lock it in. A further click will start the beacon mode. Click and hold to take you to the UV mode. While it gives a nice black light effect, the UV performance is actually quite poor, thanks to what I believe is a cheaper 395nm LED. We see minimal fluorescing with this light. A Rovivon Aurora A8 by comparison offers noticeably better UV performance as the details really shine under this light. Lumintop, Rovivon. Let's check it out in the dark and some beam shots. Here is turbo, exactly 10 meters to the fence. Low, medium, and high. I am around 8.5 to 9 meters from the camera. And onto the side lights. Let's take a look at the run times. First of all, the main beam at its highest brightness. This lasts bang on 2 hours as per the specifications. And now the white side light. This ran for half an hour longer than expected at 4 hours 30 minutes. The clip is easy to attach and offers a great bi-directional profile. It holds well and is flexible enough to attach easily to most pockets and the like. The angled shape allows it to easily slide onto a pocket or front of a cap. It's off to the fridge door to test the magnet. This seems to work well enough. I'm not a fan of these silicon USB covers, but at least the one we have here sits deep in the port and feels secure. A red light indicates charging and turns green when fully charged. The light is fully operational while charging, although this will extend charging time. A full charge takes around 2 hours for the 450 mAh lithium polymer battery. So what do I think of the Black Cat from Lumintop? I quite enjoyed my time with this light. It's easy to operate and offers a nice, usable main beam. The plastic bezel and the poor UV light is a shame. Otherwise, the dual controls, clip and magnet are all welcome, and I love the warm white side light. I just wish they offered a couple of different light levels on the side. Overall, this is a great package and offers good value for money. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video useful.